Given the data set, find the 5-number summary and create a box plot. So our 5-number summary, we know, consists of our minimum value, our lower quartile, our median value, our upper quartile, and our maximum value. Those are our 5 numbers in the 5-number summary. The easiest ones to identify are your minimum and your maximum. Your minimum is your smallest number when listed from least to greatest. In this case, it's 14. Your maximum is your biggest number when listed from least to greatest, which is 20. The next thing that's pretty simple to find is your median. That's going to be the middle number. So the first thing I need to do is count how many terms I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So if I have 17, that means my middle number is going to be 9. So another way I've seen someone do this is they actually cross them off leading up to the middle. So they cross off 1 per 1 until they reach, until they reach the middle. And we find that our median is 16. Now the next part that we need to do is find our lower quartile. That is your median of your lower data. So we know our lower data starts just below the median and goes to the end of the data. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So finding the middle, this way I'm going to cross the opposite way so I know when I get there. I have 15s in the middle. Well, if I take the average of 15s, I'm going to get 30. There were 2 numbers, so that means my lower quartile is 15. Next, I'm going to find my upper quartile the same way, but instead of it being the lower data, now it's the upper data. So I'm going to start just above the median and go to the end of the data. I'm going to cancel until I make my way to the middle. And what I find is that I have 2 18s in the middle. If I add them, I get 36 divided by how many there are. 18 is my upper quartile. You also should have been able to see that based on the fact that they were the same number. Now that I have my 5-number summary, check, I need to make a box plot. So I'm going to go ahead and create my number line. I'm going to start at 13, and I'm going to try and make my way to 21. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. I always like to go a little extra just so that it fully fits on there. First, I'm going to plot my points. So I have my minimum at 14. I'm going to go ahead and put a dot there. I have my maximum at 20. Now for your other lines, you're actually going to put lines instead of dots. So my median is at 16, so I'm going to put a line at 16. Remember, these are the ones that make my box. My lower quartile is 15, so I'm also going to make a line. My upper quartile is 18, so I'm going to make a line. And the last thing I do is connect my box and make my whiskers. They don't call them whiskers anymore because apparently that's not cool. But there you have it, is your box plot with your 5-number summary. Great job.